Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? Hope all of you are doing great. So let us continue with comparison operators that we have started yesterday, and we have reached till this point where we have done some um, analysis based on Boolean operators on two self-created arrays which are as follows. Here you can see. So today we are going to take the same and then we will build on top of it what we have. So we have created two arrays that were my house and your house. Both of them we converted them into numpy arrays with certain values in it. So let us see what we are going to do. So the task that we have is that we have to find out that which areas in my house are greater than or equals to 18, right? So it is very simple. What we are going to do, we are going to use the similar command that we used yesterday, in which we have imported numpy as numpy, and then we have our house as this, and the last missing value is 9.5. So right now, this is the check that we have to perform, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to just simply use one statement that in my house what is greater than or equals to 18, and that's it. When we execute it, we will get the values like this: true, true, false, false, because these two are equal or greater. These two are satisfying the condition while these two are not satisfying the condition, so that's why we have false as the output. Right now, we have another condition in which we have to compare which areas are less than 15, right? So this is very similar to this one. What we can do is that we can print it like this, and it says that less than or equals to. So first we are going to change this less than or equals to 15 and print it. So this is false, false, true, true, because both of them are greater than 15 while both of them are less than 15. So this is another check. Right now, we need to compare both of these arrays together to see which areas of my house are less than the areas of your house, right? So again we are going to use this print command, but here the condition will be a little bit change. Instead of less than equals to a number, it will be your house. When we execute it, it will compare both of them um, together. So here 18 is less than 14, it is false. 20 is less than 24, true, true, and again false. So this is the output that we have here in this condition, right? Now let's expand it a little and see what we can do with these operators, which are called Boolean operators, or and or not operations, right? So let us consider both of them and see what we have, or what we can do with this, right? Or how we can use these three in comparison operators. Now the problem statement that we have is that we need to write a Python code with print function to check whether my kitchen is bigger than 10 and smaller than 18, right? So for that, definitely we need to define something, and that will be some variables that are called my kitchen and your kitchen, because we are going to compare the kitchen values, and then we are going to use the print command in order to see that if my kitchen is greater than 10, and it should be your kitchen here, your kitchen is less than 18. So when we execute it, it is true. Why it is true? My kitchen greater than 10, yes. Your kitchen less than 18, yes. And operation is there. Now let me make it 20. So my kitchen is greater than 20, your kitchen less than 18. Now one of the condition is true and the other one is false. Now if I execute it, it will become false. To make this true with this AND operator in between, both of these conditions need to be satisfied, otherwise this will remain false, right? For example 10, now it is true. But if we change this to OR, then if even one of these conditions satisfies, the output will be true here, like this. My condition greater than 20, no, this is false. Or your kitchen is less than 18, yes, true. So it is true, right? So this is the difference between and or, right? Now we have another expression, and we need to check which is greater and which is less, and what is the statement that is given to us. The statement that we have to prove is this one. Write a Python expression wrap in this to check, oh, sorry, to check if double the area of my kitchen is smaller than the area, then triple the area of your kitchen, right? So this is the statement, right? So what we have to do is that we just need to modify the print command like this, 3, and that's it. So my kitchen multiplied by 2 is less than your kitchen multiplied by 3. When we execute it, it is true. Why it is true? Because 18 multiplied by 2 is 36, while 14 multiplied by 3 is 42. So this statement will be true, right? So this type of comparisons you can do as well. All right.